Right now, you can create your very first AI influencer for free with no limits and no restrictions. So, this is a brand new feature that just dropped, and most people don't even know about it yet. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create, customize, and animate your own influencer in just few minutes, even if you've never done this before. So this is what you need to do. You come here to the Higgsfield AI, and then you're gonna need to click on AI influencer, and then this is what you're gonna get. So you click on create new, um and then you just come here. So we've got two options. We've got a builder, so which means you can build your own character, your own influencer, or you can come here to the prompt. So you've got two options that you need to select. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the builder. With the builder, we've got the character type on this site, and then we've got human and a bee, octopus, iguana, and many more. So what you need to do, you choose the one that you prefer. So since I'm creating a human character, I'm gonna just click on human. Okay, so then I'm gonna scroll a little bit down to the gender. So depending on, we've got male, a trans woman, a trans man also, and we've got a non-binary. Okay, so you click whatever that you prefer. So I'm gonna go with female. Come here to the origin base. So depending on what kind of, or what kind of a character you are creating. If you're creating an African, you click on African. And then if you are creating for Asian, we've got Asian, European, Indian, Middle Eastern, and we've got a mixed race. So you just need to click on whatever that you are planning to do. So I'm gonna go with African, since I'm creating an African influencer. And then with the skin color, we've got a dark, and we've got a brown, and then we've got white and purple. So I'm gonna go with this light brown. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll down to the eye color. So you need to also choose the eye color of your character. So I'm gonna go with purple. It looks beautiful. And then we've got blue, we've got gray, red. So you just select the one that you prefer. So I'm gonna come here to the skin conditions. So there are people with different skin conditions. So depending on what you are creating, you can come and you can go through this skin condition, and then choose the one that you prefer. So I'm gonna just pass to the skin condition, since I'm not creating a character with any skin condition. And then I come here to the age, and then with the age, we've got adult, mature, and senior. So you're gonna need to select the one that you are creating. So I'm gonna go with the senior one, or you can go with the mature. So it's definitely up to you. And then we've got other advanced settings. So you click on this button, and then this will come. So depending on what kind of the face you are preferring to create, so you just click on there's a face, there's a body, there's a style. Okay, so with this style, there's hair, head growth, and accessory marking, rendering style. So you click right here, and then everything will be available for you to select. So I'm gonna just leave everything the way they are. I'm not going to select any of this. I can just leave it like that. And then with this, after you're done everything that you have just selected, you come here to generate. So it's in progress. While it's in progress, I can just show you the characters that I created using this option of builder. So if you want to animate, or you want to edit any of this, you can also do that. And then if you're happy with everything, you can just leave it like that. And then this one is the one that I actually used the prompt. So since it says a builder, with the one that I've just actually just explained to you on how to do it, and then we've got the easiest one, which is the prompt. You just need to click on this. and then if you don't have a prompt, you can ask a ChatGPT to create a prompt for you, like I did on this one. So I just added the image on ChatGPT. I then asked a ChatGPT to create a full detailed prompt for this model, full, appropriate, and similar, like literally the same. uh, so now ChatGPT has just generated this full character prompt for me to use on Higgsfield. So I just come here again to Higgsfield AI, and then I paste the prompt, and then I just click on generate. So here are some of the results. So this is the results when use the prompt, and then another one is here. So unfortunately it says the influencer side is an influencer is facing issues due to high user load. A generation may fail, credit auto refunded. So for now, there are lots of people using this platform because it's very, very great. So that is why there are lots of people using it. So, and there's no alternative, to be honest. So this is the only platform that has this AI influencer for free. So since the system now it has a lot of people using it currently, so now the system has crashed. We can't able to go through to create the influencer. So but I have already created some of the images here with the very same tool. So I just want to show you. I can just grab any other image, or I can just go with this image that I've just created. So this was created using the prompt. So I want to show you on how to animate it. So you just click on this icon. So I'm just gonna click on it and then click on explore more. Okay, so immediately you're gonna get this page. So you're gonna find a lot of models doing what they are doing, and then some that are dancing, some that are just acting, and then you can just select the one that you prefer. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with this image, this video, and then come to this side. Is asking for the quality. I'm gonna go with the highest quality, so which is the 1080p, and then with the scene control mode. So depending on what you want, immediately when you select the video reference, is gonna come to this site, and then you can just click on video scene control mode. It says choose where the background should come from the character image on the motion video. So I'm gonna just decide on the image. So I want the background of this image, and then it's gonna take like 19 credits. So I'm just gonna go through it and then just click to generate. So after a long time of waiting, so now we've got the results of the video of the influencer. So let's just press here so that we can see
Cachorrinha, ai, au, 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 vai!
So the AI has copied the exact move of the reference video that we use. I'm so impressed with this. I'm so excited and happy with the results. Let's check the second one because we can produce.
Milkshake brings all the boys to the farm, and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right, it's better than yours at the tree too, but I have to shove.
So now that you have seen how easy it is to create and animate an AI influencer, here's what Higgsfield is actually building this for. Higgsfield is positioning AI influencer as digital assets, meaning once you create one, you own it and you can use it across your content and platforms. You are not blocked into a single use case. So you can use your AI influencer to create short form videos, social content, visual storytelling for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and etc. And this allows creators and brands to scale content production without filming, without camera, and without repeating the same work over and over again. Higgsfield is also rolling out an AI wants to learn how to build improve and use AI influencer the right way as this platform grows. Make sure to subscribe. I'll be sharing updates, tutorials, and real use cases as Higgsfield continues to roll out in new features. I'm afraid we came to the end of our video for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.